Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Super excited to be here today. In this video, we're unboxing the iPhone 12 mini in black. Boy, it feels like Christmas has come early this year. Just looking back at the past couple of weeks, here I'll go ahead and start unboxing this. But we've had two new iPhones. We've had the new Xboxes released. A new jailbreak came out. Boy, there's been just a ton of stuff to cover. So, here is the iPhone 12 mini. There is our first look at this guy. And look at that. It's so tiny. I have my iPhone 10 right here, and it's even smaller than that. Kind of comparing it to the iPhone SE. Look at that, guys. It's so tiny. The current SE that is out is like the size of the iPhone 7, 6, 8, just the 4.7 inch model. But this guy rocks a 5.4 inch display. So it's a little bit smaller of a display than the iPhone 10. This one's a 5.8. So I'll go ahead and turn this on. Let's take a look at what else is in the box. Again, you have your USB-C to Lightning adapter right here. Pretty standard, but again, no more charging brick. Up top, we have our SIMjection tool. You get your Apple stickers, and then we have this little introductory pamphlet. It doesn't look like it folds out with any photos on this one. That's interesting. So that's what's in the box. Pretty simple. Just look how tiny this box is in comparison. Let me go ahead and pack this guy back up real fast before we take a look at the phone. This is the iPhone 12 mini, and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This video is coming next, guys. So let's go ahead and set this phone up. I'll go ahead and just quickly breeze through some of these steps. Let me sign into Wi-Fi real fast. But wow, this is the tiniest phone in a while. Really the cool thing about this phone is you're not missing out on any of the major features. You get 5G, you get the A14 Bionic fast processor in it, you get the dual lens camera system. Really, the only difference between this and the 12 then is the display size. And I'm just going to skip a lot of these settings just to get to the home screen quickly. Not going to transfer my data right now. Not going to sign into iCloud. Just kind of breezing through some of these steps. And here we go, guys. Welcome to the iPhone mini. Look at that. No SIM card installed, but we'll get to that in just a second. Boy, that display looks really sharp. I'm personally excited for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, as I was using the 11 Pro Max prior, but I'm really excited for this phone due to its pocketability. Look how tiny this is. Like I said, you're not missing out on really any features. You get 5G, the camera system, A14 Bionic. Difference is then the display. Also, the only other difference I thought about mentioning is battery life. It sounds like it's not too great on this phone. Compared to the iPhone 11 Pro Max or the iPhone 12 Pro Max that can last your entire day. I usually get up around 6 a.m. and it will last until I go to bed. And this sounds like it's gonna die around 4 or 5 p.m. in the evening. So definitely keep that in mind. Now, a couple things that I like to change right off the bat. I personally like to turn off auto lock. Now, don't do this on your parents' phone, otherwise they're just gonna throw it in their purse or just in their pocket and their display is going to stay on. But that just drives me crazy. Another one is auto brightness. I like to set my brightness level for when I'm recording videos, so sometimes that causes a problem there for me. So using the SIMjection tool on the iPhone 11, I'll go ahead and just pop out my old SIM card real fast. And then on the iPhone 12, it's on the left instead of the right. So bottom left, pop that guy out. You can just pull it, and we'll go ahead and put our SIM card in. Looks like it goes upside down again, just like that. And then we can slide it in, maybe, just like that. And there we go. Right there, it is fully activated. One other setting I like to change with these phones since they have 5G. If you guys click on voice and data, you can choose 5G auto, 5G on, or LTE. Now, if you guys want to save battery and you are not in a location where 5G is offered just yet, it's pretty minimal where that is offered, so you can just select LTE to save battery, or you can do 5G on. So with 5G on, let me go ahead and sign into the App Store. I'm gonna run a quick speed test. So to run this speed test, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my Wi-Fi off and open this guy up. We'll click allow through the initial settings, and let's just see what type of speed we're getting on 5G right here. And see, it's really not too impressive. Like, even though it says we're on 5G, these are still kind of 4G speeds in my area. So it's really just gonna depend on where you're at. You know, that's the cool thing. It's great that this phone is a pretty cheap starting price, but I really think for the majority of people, you are not going to go for the iPhone Mini, you're not going to go for the Pro Max, you're probably going to go for the iPhone 12 and or even the iPhone 11 because it's $200 cheaper. That's just my take on what phone is probably going to be most popular this year. Alright guys, and the Geek-bench test has completed in just under 2 minutes. These are the results. As you guys can see, you can see the amazing speed of the A14 Bionic on this little tiny phone. Now in this video I've highlighted mainly the differences between this phone and last year's and other models of this year's. If you guys want to check out the full spec list, we'll have it down below in this video's description, conveniently located there for you guys. Anyhow, like I said, it really feels like Christmas. I mean, we have new Xboxes, we have another iPhone video coming. Next week we have the HomePod Mini, as well as the new MacBooks just released this week by Apple, or just announced, I guess. So lots of awesome videos incoming. Definitely subscribe to the channel before you go. Lastly, I will show you guys the MagSafe charger on this device, just because I kind of wanted to see how it fits on the back of the iPhone 12 mini. So here we go guys, just slapping it on real fast. And look at that, the MagSafe charger is pretty much as big or as wide as the entire phone. That just looks wild to me. So I will end this video on this final size comparison. We have the iPhone 5S right here. Coming in just bigger than that is the brand new iPhone 12 mini. We have the iPhone 10 right here. This is a 6S Plus, and this is an 11 Pro Max. Now this is kind of just the phones I had available to me, but I hope this gives you guys a good sense at what the size of this phone is. It is incredibly tiny. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's super fun to do these quick reviews. Again, stay tuned for the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. Tanner's working on some awesome videos as well. So we'll see you guys real soon. But until next time, this is Tony, signing out.